Looking for ultimate travel companion? Let's try Agoda.
Agoda.
The primary purpose of Agoda is to serve as an online travel booking platform that connects travelers with various travel accommodations and services. Agoda facilitates the booking process for travelers looking to plan their trips, offering a convenient way to search for, compare, and reserve travel-related services. If you are a traveler who's looking for ultimate travel companion, here's what you can do on Agoda. Agoda are both available on iOS and Android. When you open your Agoda app, you can sign up through your Google account or Facebook. So here's the homepage where you can find the hotels, flights, Flight Plus Hotel, activities, home and apartments. When you click the hotel, you can find the location of the hotel you want to book, the check-in date and the check-out date, and how many people are occupying the room. And that's it. Input all the details, and you can search for the hotel you want. All the hotels will show up at your desired location alongside its rate, and when you click your desired hotel, you can see what type of room, amenities, and facilities they have. Now let's book a flight using the Agoda app. Tap on the flights option in the main menu. Enter your departure and destination cities, travel dates, and the number of passengers. Click Search Flights to see available options. Browse through the flight options and you can filter by airlines, layover, and more. Agoda also offers a wide range of activities and experiences. To book an activity, go back to the main menu and select Activities. Search for activities in your destination city and you will see a list of options. Click on the activity you are interested in to learn more. If you prefer accommodations like homes or apartments, Agoda has you covered. Tap on the homes in the main menu. Enter your destination, travel dates, and the number of guests. Click Search Home to see available options. Browse through the available homes and apartments. You can filter by price, location, and other criteria. When you find the perfect one, select it. There's more you can do on Agoda. They also offer long stay deals, day use, special offers, car rentals, airport transport, trains, buses, and even ferries. Agoda has also a lot of discounts, so you can grab whatever you want and book on Agoda.
Agoda.
If you are a property owner, here's how you can list your property on Agoda. First, go to agoda.com. Create an account. You can sign up using your Google account. Click Add Listing. Select your property type if you can see your property type. Click Go to YCS site. Then you select the property type you have. Fill out all the details from basic, location, facilities, room and details, photos, your profile, and you can now publish it. And yes, the contracted commission of Agoda app is only 15% of your sales revenue. You will receive an email once your property is approved. Why Agoda? Agoda will serve as additional booking channel. They have dynamic pricing, real-time inventory management, customer reviews, and ratings. They also support multi-language, access to Agoda Partner Program, and mobile app, data analytics, and 24 hours customer service. Regarding access to data, Agoda typically shares traveler data with the accommodation providers where bookings are made. Accommodation providers have access to data related to their specific bookings. Agoda may also use anonymized aggregated data for analytical and marketing purposes but takes precaution to protect individual privacy. So that's it. Thank you for watching.